So today I'm going to be making a tiny little aquarium, and I'm going to use this tiny little jar. I know it has words on it, but I couldn't find anything else with a lid. And I have some cool little gravel. It's already colored, so that helps a whole lot. I thought about using sand, but I don't really know where any of my colored sand is at the moment. And this is Sculpey. That'll make this process go by a lot quicker. I can just make, a tiny little fish and then bake it and it'll be done. And I got hot glue because I plan on gluing a fishing line to the top and hanging the fish in the jar. And hopefully it turns out well. That is my plan. Let's see how it goes. I am not a fan of using colored rocks in fish tanks. I think it is very bad for the fish because they flake and the fish might try to eat the little colored flakes, and I guess technically it's got to be safe for fish, right? But it clogs up the filters more too as it chips away. I prefer just regular stone or dirt or something in a aquarium. I do have this from one of Nick's past aquariums, and thought this would be a good use for it. Maybe I'll make like a little Nemo fish, clownfish. Is that a good enough little fish shape? Kind of like a goldfish. Like the cracker. So I have a little fishy. I'm thinking I'll probably end up using felt for the seaweed because I want a little plant coming up out of it. But I also, Nick is playing with his computer, by the way. He finally got it to work, and so he's going through all the sound effects on this program he has on his computer. I think I might go ahead and try to make some clay plants, just to see if they work, but I'll probably end up using felt. I'll probably just make some felt pieces. Off to bake. So I was gonna paint it, but then I remembered that I have these cheap little dollar store permanent markers, and they match the colors of the gravel, so I'm gonna try to use these to paint my little fishy. I probably should have filed down the rough spots first. Maybe I'll just make a goldfish. I'm doing very poorly. So I'm kind of doing this in layers like this to add stripes as if it were a clownfish, because I'm not going to be able to get texture otherwise. Is that okay? Is that acceptable? I think it's gonna have to be. Alright, let's turn that fan off. Hopefully this is dry enough to set down. So this has been on the whole time I was coloring this, so that it was nice and warmed up when I needed to use it. And this is fishing wire, how appropriate. And I'm going to use this to tie to the fish and have it dangle, because I don't have resin, so I can't just glue it in place, I have to cheat a little bit. I don't have scissors, hold on. Cut off some more than I think I'll need. I think I'm just going to do a nice slip knot and then put a tiny little dot of glue right there. Might use super glue for that part, I don't know. Oh, I hope this doesn't leave. Oh no, oh no. I'm gonna have to do some touch-ups. I'm surprised I haven't burned myself on this yet, because I kept reaching over it for the fan to dry the marker. Oh, it's surprisingly straight. I thought it was gonna be like top heavy or something, but it's actually not leaning that much. Cool. Let's touch it up. Crap, where'd I put the markers? Here we go. You know what? I should have done this before coloring it. This would have made it so much easier. Oh my goodness, the line looks so bloody. How far do I want this thing down? I think right there. I had to glue it right there onto the lid. Wish me luck. So I don't have any green felt, so I'm gonna use yellow. Okay. Maybe like that, and then glue it to the bottom. I guess just let it sit. It's not like... I want to make sure that it's actually going to stick. Oh! Oh! I feel like I'm making a tiny terrarium, which is actually probably kind of literally what I'm doing. Is that everything? Is that all I need? Am I done? Here's my tiny terrarium. I mean aquarium. Alright, so I figured the lighting would be a little bit better outside. It's about how I expected it to turn out. I am sad that it is not cuter than I was hoping, but it's not too bad. I am okay with this. I've never attempted something like this before, so I'm pretty happy with it. Go check out PanPoi's Facebook and Instagram. I think she made a much better version of this than I did. This collab is just showing poor quality versus good quality, and hers is the good quality.